it's Annie with your latest tech update. Happy New Year! Remember doodling in Microsoft Paint? The nostalgic tool from your youth has totally transformed into a high-tech creative powerhouse. Bet you didn't see that one coming. Paint in Windows 11 has a new AI feature called Cocreator. It lets you generate professional-grade images with just a simple description. You can bring your most ambitious visions to life right at your fingertips. And it's not just about AI. Paint now has transparency effects, layers, and background removal. Anyone on your team can create custom graphics for presentations or social media posts in seconds. Not seeing this feature yet? Update your Paint app and sign up for the waiting list. If you haven't already upgraded to Windows 11, we can help. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.